Hi friends, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. I'm glad you dropped in. So good to see you again. Hope you enjoy. Hi. I just don't know where Christmas went. It just really got away from me. I made a lot of things and did some recording, but I didn't do much uploading and showing things on my YouTube channel, so promise I will get better. So here I'm painting one of the Let It Snow signs that came from Dollar Tree. It's kind of a slow process in me painting this, because I really took a lot of time and painted each letter by hand. I went over it first with the Waverly white chalk paint, and now I'm doing an acrylic, and I'm doing a light blue around all the lettering on the snow. I hope Christmas is not catching up with you as fast as it's catching up with me. Or at least you've had time to breathe. Because I feel like I haven't. Ever since Thanksgiving and I got home and it was the 2nd of December, I just feel like it's totally got away from me. Did get the tree and the decorations up. Did get my children's presents all delivered on Thanksgiving. Only have a few more things to wrap. But I bought a new tree this year, and that darn thing is bigger than I thought. It's a 9-10 footer, and it's huge. And it was one where you had to put all the branches in separately. And yeah, it wasn't quite what I thought it'd be. And it didn't have any lights on it, so I ended up putting probably a good 1,000 lights on it. I'm thinking about, I bought it on Marketplace, and I'm thinking about putting it on Marketplace right after Christmas. Anyway, I still haven't got the top decorated because it's so high. Well. Christmas is gonna happen whether I like it or not. And I know this seems to be running kind of slow with me painting this. I am kind of a meticulous painter. I try to be very careful with what I do. So here I'm gonna sit there and chit-chat whether you like it or not. Usually I don't do that, but I did get my office finally cleaned up, so I was able to move the white table into my office because the other table in there is taken up with all my mail and my computer. Okay, so here it is all done, and I end up putting let's see, I ended up putting glitter on it, made it really shiny. Now this, I put 2 of the beware signs together and hooked them down with the tongue depressors or craft sticks, the big ones that I got from Walmart. Then I painted it with the Waverly chalk paint. Now I'm going to put a little bit of mineral on it to make it look aged. Oops, got my fat head in there for you to see. I wanted to lighten up the mineral a little bit. Oh, here I'm painting, trying to make the boards look a little bit weathered. I went down and lined each board so it looked a little more individual. I like to use a good stiff brush when I'm doing dry brushing. Speed this up. Come on, lady, let's get along here. If I only painted that fast in real life. Except for the paint and of course the brushes, I think everything on here came from Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm trying to figure out which way I want to lay things out. Trees, the deer, the sign, the to beware signs, all the greenery, it all came from Dollar Tree. So let's see. So about roughly around $5. Twine. Yeah, roughly around $5 or $6. And if I was giving this away to somebody, I'd fix the back, make it look more professional, but I kept it. Glue the deer down. Oh, there I'm gluing the deer down. I ever tell you how much I hate that glue gun? That's what I asked from my kids for Christmas. Need glue gun. Putting some berries up where the string was to cover the holes. And there it is, all done. I did end up putting a white poinsettia up where the hole is on the T. And thank you so much for being my subscribers. Have a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Bye.